As a CPA, I use Excel bar charts on a day-to-day basis to deliver clear messages to my colleagues. In this video, I will share 3 use cases where I use bar charts and they actually save my life. Probably the most useful type of chart. As you can see here, we showed the trend evolution of the sales with just a glimpse that in FY23, the sales are 3 times as high as in FY20. So charts are really useful to tell a story without saying anything really. So that's the sales evolution. I'm using it very often. Then what you can have, because investors and people at your company are interested by 2 things. The top line, so how much you sell and how much it costs. And most of the companies, or at least a lot of companies, their biggest cost is the salary. So as you can see here, I see my headcount evolution. Again, with a bar chart, I was able to do some stacked columns. So I was able to split my department. I have the R&D in blue, I have the sales and marketing in pink, and I have my G&A department in gray. And it might seem simple, but adding these totals there, it's kind of tough. You see the 220 in FY23. Another thing that is really useful is showing a gap. You want to show your team, are we spot on the budget or are we not? So here I did a bar chart in Excel, the pink column and the blue column, and I just added a shape in red to tell, hey guys, something's happening. We're not making the quarter. So that's what bar charts are for. They're really visual and really useful. If you want to learn more on charts, let me know in the comments. I might have a free course for you in exchange for an honest review.